Hello, my name is Dr. Melita Williams. I'm the president and owner of Healing Hands Holistic Health here in Plano, Texas. I've been practicing medicine for the past 20 years, and I actually increased my education by expanding my horizons and delving into an area of medicine that was interesting to me and intriguing because of, different health challenges that were in my family. I have multiple individuals that suffered from autoimmune disorders and cancer, and trying to find out different ways of helping them also helped me to help my patients in different ways. So I started learning more about integrative medicine and alternative medicine therapies when I was in the military. That education has continued to grow and expand because medicine is an ever evolving industry. So that's how I actually got into integrative medicine. And I believe what I've learned over the years and through my experiences has been invaluable in helping my patients. I do hold dual board certifications in family medicine as well as integrative and holistic medicine. ACAM offered an opportunity to me that expanded my education and exposure to an area of medicine that I thought was very instrumental and imperative that I learned to help my patients with autoimmune disorders and also cognitive health. I was very interested in chelation therapy because of the effects of heavy metals on the body. Heavy metals can cause various toxicities to different endocrine systems, as well as affect, the brain, which is our master organ of our body. I am a RECODE reverse certified physician through Dr. Dale Bredesen's program that deals with the reversal of cognitive decline from such conditions such as Alzheimer's. And one of the areas of toxicity that can lead to dementia is actually from heavy metal toxicity and biotoxins. So my education in chelation therapy was going to be very key and instrumental in me helping some of those patients. And it was something that I felt was very important because I'm also of the age of, in the age of individuals that are probably moving towards exposures to heavy metals that have been sequestered in our body for a while. We have a large baby boomer population, and I'm in the Generation X, that kind of crossover generation. But it was in 1979 when they stopped putting lead in gasoline that, individuals before that time were exposed to a large amount of lead, and it's still in the environment. So I'm in that age group that was probably exposed to environmental contaminants. And my exposure and career during the military, I also learned some occupational medicine and know that different careers and occupations expose you to different heavy metals that can lead to damage to the kidneys and cardiovascular disease. And so learning about chelation therapy, it was very important for the types of patients I would be serving, for my own individual health, the health of my family and friends, and for a large population now that is moving towards, aging. And a big concern for our health community initially was more so cardiovascular disease, and now that is transitioning into cognitive health. And both of those conditions require a thorough evaluation, which includes heavy metal toxicity. And chelation is very essential to helping those individuals because it's been proven to be safe and effective. As a member of ACAM, I look forward to being a part of a community of physicians that are serving individuals with health challenges of chronic diseases that the conventional setting is not really tapping into to the depth that they need to. I'm also looking forward to learning from other individuals, even the collaborative efforts and exposures that I've had the opportunity to learn about through some of the conferences, including biological dentistry, and different structural abnormalities that can affect our physical health. And so those collaborations will help this one body function well, because we are one body, but we have multiple parts. And conventional medicine divides us so much into the different ologies: cardiology, endocrinology, orthopedics, and we're divided so much that sometimes it's hard to get the big picture of what's going on with the patient so that you can actually truly help them. And so an integrative approach to medicine, and working with colleagues of a similar mindset and skill set, that have been educated through integrative organizations such as ACAM, is essential for helping the health of a community that's aging and exposed to a lot of toxicities, that is impairing our ability to live the best life that we can. My advice to someone that's interested in medicine is to go into your educational field with an open mind. Medicine is an ever-evolving industry. We learn more about how the body functions almost on a daily basis. There's new evidence, new research that's being done. And the interesting thing is that our history becomes our biology. We know that with ACEs, the adverse childhood events. We know that when we learn from history, we can learn not to make the same mistakes in the past. So learning about ancient methodologies, learning about the different modalities that are out there, and keeping an open mind increases the toolbox that you have in order to help your patients in the future. You actually have to give informed consent when you're performing any type of procedures. And in order to give informed consent, you have to know the risks, the benefits, and even alternative therapies that can be provided to a patient. Having an increased knowledge and exposure in integrative medicine allows you to actually provide more services or options to your patients to give them more of an informed consent than most traditional training gives you. And because we know that medicine is ever evolving, and we even have to take continuing medical education, we know that things change over time. Different recommendations that were given in the past are now obsolete as we learn more through technological advances and biomedical advances, as we learn, from the big organism down to the, atomic level or structural level of a cell. There's so much to learn. And when you put yourself in a box, you miss out on the opportunities to really help individuals in a more holistic way. So I believe integrative medicine is very important for the healthcare of the world today, and it will be even more instrumental in helping individuals as we're exposed to more toxicities and different things in our environment change. So I would say keep an open mind, learn as much as you can about new technologies as well as old technologies, and also ancient modalities, because it will make you a better physician. It will make you more well-rounded, and you'll be more of an asset to your patient population in the future. My journey in my education and my medical education has taken ups, downs, twists, turns, and all of our life experiences we can use to help us to become the individuals that we are ever evolving to become. My journey in integrative medicine has helped me to help many patients on various levels, whether it's, through emotional support, spiritual guidance, as well as physical health and well-being, lifestyle choices. All of those things help me to be who I am. We take a holistic approach to our care of patients here at Healing Hands Holistic Healthcare. And all the tools that we have in our toolbox are things that we will access in order to help you as an individual patient. Each individual is unique and different. Your life experiences are unique and different, and your care should be unique and actually tailored to you as an individual. I believe that integrative medicine is the way to actually take a look and a deeper dive into your health, to find out root causes of diseases, and to chart a pathway and a journey to health that can be very rewarding. It may be challenging, but it is doable with the right individuals guiding you and supporting you along the way. My clinic here at Healing Hands Holistic Health is poised to help many people in the cognitive area of health, in hormonal assessments, IV nutritional therapies, chelation therapy. All of these things are essential to bolster the health of an individual, especially when it comes to the health of the brain. The brain is the master organ of the body. It needs nutritional support, it needs vascular and circulatory support, and it also needs emotional support. All of that may be foundationally supported through nutrition, through chelation therapy, and through diet and exercise. We're poised to help you here at Healing Hands Holistic Health. And as you find a partner in that health journey, we hope that you would choose someone that is integratively trained, that will give you the help that you need in a more holistic way. I believe that the medical sciences is man trying to figure out what God did when he put Adam to sleep in the Garden of Eden. As we delve deeper into who we are as individuals, as who we are as created beings, we learn more and more. And as we are able to unravel those mysteries, we're able to return back to a state of health that we were naturally intended to do, that supports the body to heal itself as it was originally designed. Take that journey to health with someone that's trained, someone that's certified. And an ACAM, an integrative physician, is someone that will help you along that path. We're supporting, we're